Reproduction in humans is quite complex, so we have split it up into two sections with several bite-sized chunks, so you can concentrate on one bit of it at a time. First, adolescence and the menstrual cycle. When a human's reproductive organs become mature and physically the person changes from a child into an adult, this period of time is called puberty. Boys usually start to produce sperm between the ages of 12 and 16. Girls start to release eggs, on average, between the ages of 11 and 15. During adolescence, which follows puberty, there are many other changes that happen to our bodies, both physical and emotional. And these changes are caused by very small amounts of very powerful chemical substances called hormones. In the next clips, we're going to run through many of the changes that happen to both girls and boys. So why not make a note of all of the ones that you notice? So first, the key changes that happen to boys. At puberty, testes start to produce sperm. The secondary sexual characteristics then develop. The muscles and penis grow bigger. The voice becomes much deeper, and pubic, facial, and underarm hair grow. And now the changes that happen to girls. At puberty, the ovaries start to release eggs once a month. The secondary sexual characteristics that follow are that the breasts start to develop, the hips get broader, and pubic and underarm hair grow. You also need to be able to sketch and label both the male and female reproductive system. In the male sketch, you need to remember the penis, testis, sperm duct, and urethra. And in the female reproductive system, make sure you label the ovary, fallopian tube, uterus, and vagina. And remember, always use a pencil and a ruler for labelling diagrams. Why not have a go and practice drawing them? Now, let's look at an important part of the human reproductive process, the menstrual cycle. Between about the ages of 11 to 50, a woman is fertile. This means that each month an egg is released from one of the two ovaries. When this happens, the lining of the uterus thickens with a large supply of blood to receive an egg. If the egg is not fertilized, the lining of the uterus breaks down and passes out of the vagina. This monthly bleed occurs on average every 28 days and is what we call the menstrual cycle. So, just to recap, the key points are: in reproductive females, the menstrual cycle is where the uterus lining breaks down every month if an egg isn't fertilized. Ovulation occurs when an egg is released from one of the two ovaries.